We are going to stay with dry weather this Tuesday across South Africa. However, we are going to see a few patches of fair weather cloud across the central and eastern parts of the country. Across the west, it's going to stay beautifully sunny, with back winds expected to blow into the south coast, keeping these parts of the country particularly warm. It's going to be fairly warm as well along the east coast. The end of Tuesday will see this cold front slamming into the west coast, introducing cloudy weather over these areas and rainfall throughout your Tuesday night along the southwest coastline. So up to a 40% chance of rain is forecast tonight along the southwest coastline. The chance of precipitation decreases as we go further up the west coast. Let's take a look at those warm afternoon temperatures along the coastal areas. Durban and Richards Bay will peak at around 25 degrees, 26 for East London and Bishop, a degree warmer for Port Elizabeth, George 26, 25 for the mother city. It's going to be much cooler across the interior. Kimberley peaking at 19, 17 in Bloemfontein, DR as well as Joburg and Polokwane, 19 in Pretoria. A high of 20 is forecast from Mbombela. Here's a look at what the coastal areas have in store for your Tuesday. We are going to see mixed beach conditions along the west coast, poor beach conditions around the Namaqualand area and Langaban thanks to the strong northwesterly winds blowing into those areas. Strong northwesterlies are also going to keep beach conditions unfavorable along the southwest coastline. Lighter winds are forecast around Cape Agulhas. We are expecting fresh to strong offshore winds along the south coast, and these are also going to keep beach conditions poor over these parts of the coastal areas. Finally, along the east coast, we are expecting fairly favorable beach conditions here, except around Durban, where strong northeasterly winds are expected.
News that moves. eNCA.com.